All right, Gusser. Remember, pedaling fast makes it easier.
This is really easy.
I know. Keep pedaling fast.
But this is really easy.
I knew you were starting to do so good on that red bike. All right, I'm going to keep taping you. You keep going. Bye, Gusser. The faster you pedal, the easier it is.
The silver bike, he's got a problem with that bike there. I have to put the seat up so high because
Well, see if he can.
where he lower his knees come too high.
See if he can do the silver one. Let me see you stop. Oh, I missed it. Daddy's in the way.